Hello everyone. Through this video we will see how the view of the dashboard of the teachers would be once they have been mapped to the different classes. For this we need to log in with the ID of the teacher or the staff. So let's log in with the user ID and password of the teacher. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the teacher. Here the dashboard will show the teacher would be teaching to these various classes. Okay, and he can also view the school diary and the school syllabus, that is the various topics and lessons that would be covered in the given time. By default the current week would be highlighted, and in this current week the teacher would cover the topic circulatory system, which falls under the lesson kinds of systems under the chapter human body, and this would be taught to class 5 section A, and the subject name is science and the book name is concise science. If we click on next week, then the teacher can view what are the topics that would be covered in the following week. Okay, so these are the weeks. You can see the dates from which the topic, that is cardiovascular system, would start, and the date till which it would be end. And this will be also taught to class 5 section A, subject science. If you click on last week, you can view the scheduled topics and lessons that was scheduled for the last week. And if we click on all weeks, then it would show the total of last week, current week and next week. Let's see. Okay, so these are the topics that would be covered from 3rd of October till 14th of October. So all the various topics that are needed to be covered from a particular period of time would highlight here. Thank you.